Looking for classic cars under $5,000 that actually run, drive, or have serious project potential? These hidden gems might surprise you. Car 1. 1962 Chevrolet Corvair. $5,000, Jolton, Tennessee. This 1962 Chevrolet Corvair is described as a running and driving classic that has been used as a weekend cruiser until recently. The engine starts easily and performs well, making it a usable driver rather than a full project. There are some cosmetic issues, including rust bubbles and areas where the paint has faded or peeled. The brakes are slightly stiff, which is common for non-power systems, but they are still functional. Overall, it's a decent survivor that can be driven as is while gradually improving its appearance. Car 2. 1978 Oldsmobile Cutlass Sedan. $1,200, Toledo, Ohio. This 1978 Oldsmobile Cutlass is a very affordable entry into classic car ownership, currently sitting in running condition but needing a few key fixes. The seller states that it runs and drives, though it will require a fuel pump and a key to be fully usable. The car comes with a clean title, although it is currently misplaced, which may require extra effort during transfer. Aside from those issues, it appears to be a straightforward mechanical project. Overall, it's a low-cost project with relatively simple repairs needed to get it back on the road. Car 3. 1969 AMC Rambler American. $3,000, District Heights, Maryland. This 1969 AMC Rambler American is a running and driving example equipped with a manual transmission and a mostly stock engine setup. It has some minor modifications, including an aftermarket intake and carburetor. The main issue noted is damage to the driver's side fender, which will need replacement. Otherwise, it appears mechanically usable in its current condition. Overall, it's a simple and functional classic that could serve as a driver with minor cosmetic work. Car 4. 1979 Ford F-100 XLT pickup. $3,500, Beech Grove, Tennessee. This 1979 Ford F-100 is a running and driving project truck powered by an inline-six engine paired with a manual transmission. It starts, shifts, and stops, making it usable in its current condition. However, it has been sitting for some time and will need several updates before becoming a reliable daily driver. The tires are aged and it will require a general tune-up and inspection. Overall, it's a solid project truck that can be driven while being improved over time. Car 5. 1976 Chevrolet Nova Roller Project. $5,000, Cadillac, Michigan. This 1976 Chevrolet Nova is being sold as a roller project with no engine or transmission included. It does come with several performance-oriented components, including a rear-end setup, roll cage, and driveline-related parts. Because it lacks a powertrain, it will require a full build before it can be driven. However, the included parts add value for someone planning a custom or race-oriented setup. Overall, it's a solid base for a serious project rather than a quick driver.
Car 6. 1963 Chevrolet Corvair Monza Spyder. $4,500, Burton, Michigan. This 1963 Chevrolet Corvair Monza Spyder is a running and driving example, with recent work done to the engine and transmission. The seller notes that it performs well and is enjoyable to drive. There are some body imperfections, but the car includes extra parts and even a spare engine that will need rebuilding. These additions increase its overall value for someone interested in restoration. Overall, it's a usable classic with additional project potential. Car 7. 1976 Chevrolet Corvair Coupe. $4,900, Waterford, Michigan. This 1976 Chevrolet Corvair is presented as a solid restoration project with a good structural base. The frame is reported to be solid, and many original components, including the interior and trim, are still intact. At the moment, it is not running due to a cooling system issue, which will need to be addressed before it can be driven. Aside from that, it appears complete and suitable for restoration. Overall, it's a project car with strong potential once mechanical issues are resolved. Car 8. 1970 Chevrolet Impala Sedan. $5,000, Indianapolis, Indiana. This 1970 Chevrolet Impala is a one-owner vehicle with relatively low mileage for its age. It is equipped with a 400 cubic inch engine and has a solid frame with minimal rust. The car has not been driven in several years, but the engine is reported to be in good condition and should run with minor work. There is a small dent and some light cosmetic wear. Overall, it's a solid classic that needs light recommissioning to return to the road. Car 9. 1973 Mercedes-Benz 450 SLC. $1,800, Tunnelton, West Virginia. This 1973 Mercedes-Benz 450 SLC is a project car that is close to running condition. The engine will run with a new fuel pump, but the rear brakes are currently seized and will need repair. Cosmetically, it requires attention, but structurally it appears to be in workable condition. The car comes with a clean title, which is a positive for restoration. Overall, it's a budget-friendly project with relatively straightforward mechanical needs. Car 10. 1978 Chevrolet K10 pickup. $4,300, Millboro, Virginia. This 1978 Chevrolet K10 is a 4x4 pickup equipped with a small block V8 and a manual transmission. It runs and drives well, and the four-wheel drive system is reported to be functional. The frame and bed are solid, though the cab has some rust in typical areas. The main issue is a leaking fuel tank that will need repair or replacement. Overall, it's a usable truck that can be driven while addressing a few key issues. Car 11. 1979 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL convertible. $2,650, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. This 1979 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL is a classic convertible that is described as running and driving, though it has been sitting for some time. It features relatively low mileage for its age and retains its original grand touring appeal. While it is usable, the time spent sitting may mean it needs light recommissioning before being fully reliable. No major mechanical issues are detailed, but some attention should be expected. Overall, it's an affordable entry into classic European motoring, with room for improvement. Car 12. 1978 Cadillac Deville d'Elegance. $5,000, Indianapolis, Indiana. This 1978 Cadillac Deville d'Elegance is presented as a strong running and driving luxury coupe. The seller emphasizes that it performs very well on the road, with both air conditioning and heating systems functioning properly. The chrome and overall condition appear solid, though it will need a repaint to improve its appearance. Mechanically, it seems ready to be driven without major work. Overall, it's a comfortable and usable classic cruiser with mostly cosmetic needs. Car 13. 1977 Buick LeSabre Custom. $4,000, Edgar Springs, Missouri.
This 1977 Buick LeSabre Custom is a straightforward running and driving car powered by a V8 engine. The seller notes that it operates without major issues, making it a usable classic in its current condition. There is limited detail about cosmetic or interior condition, so some wear should be expected given its age. Mechanically, it appears stable and ready for regular use. Overall, it's a simple and functional full-size classic. Car 14, 1962 Cadillac Deville Project, $1,500, Hiram, Georgia. This 1962 Cadillac Deville is offered as a project car with a solid body and a complete interior. It presents a good starting point for restoration, especially given its relatively low entry price. However, it is missing both the engine and transmission and will require floor repairs. It is also being sold with a bill of sale only, which may complicate registration. Overall, it's best suited for a full build project or parts use. Car 15, 1976 Cadillac Eldorado Coupe, $4,000, Falls Creek, Pennsylvania. This 1976 Cadillac Eldorado is a classic luxury coupe equipped with a large displacement engine and automatic transmission. It features a new convertible top and retains much of its original character. The seller does not mention major mechanical issues, suggesting it is in usable condition. However, given its mileage, some general maintenance may be expected. Overall, it's a comfortable cruiser that appears ready for casual driving.
Car 16, 1964 Volkswagen Beetle, $4,000, Camdenton, Missouri. This 1964 Volkswagen Beetle is a barn find that has recently been brought back to running condition. It includes several new components, such as a starter, fuel pump, battery, and tires. While it runs, it will still need a full restoration to reach its full potential. Additional parts are included, which can help with the rebuild process. Overall, it's a solid project that can be driven lightly while being restored. Car 17, 1973 Chevrolet Nova, $4,500, Dover, Delaware. This 1973 Chevrolet Nova is a project car that has already had an engine and transmission installed from another vehicle. It currently runs, but there are fuel delivery issues that need to be resolved. The braking system has been partially refreshed, which is a positive step toward making it roadworthy. While not fully sorted, it is mechanically close to being usable. Overall, it's a near-running project with good potential. Car 18, 1972 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, $1,500, Niles, Michigan. This 1972 Ford Thunderbird is described as a complete car with a running engine and a functioning transmission. It was driven several years ago before being parked again. Despite running well, it will need to be trailered and likely require recommissioning after sitting. The car comes with a clean title, which adds value. Overall, it's a budget-friendly project with solid fundamentals. Car 19, 1958 Ford Fairlane 500, $5,000, Otway, Ohio.
This 1958 Ford Fairlane 500 is a two-door hardtop project with a strong visual presence. It features a good engine along with a new battery and fuel tank already installed. While not a show car, it appears to be in generally solid condition and suitable for restoration. Some work will still be required to bring it to a higher level. Overall, it's a classic 1950s project with good potential. Car 20, 1979 Dodge D150 pickup, $3,000, McConnellsville, Ohio. This 1979 Dodge D150 is a project truck that will need mechanical work before it can be driven. The seller notes that the intake needs to be installed and additional setup is required. The frame is reported to be in good condition and the truck comes with a title. It appears to be a straightforward mechanical project rather than a structural rebuild. Overall, it's a basic project truck with a solid foundation. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next part for more classic car finds.